How common is mental illness? Alright, I suggest you to keep open minded and brace yourself because this is gonna be deep. We created a simple verbal survey and conducted for about 1448 people. In that survey, we asked only three questions. Number one, who are mentally ill? Number two, do you think you are mentally ill? Number three, how many mentally ill people do you know who are close to you? I'm going to show you the most common top 10 responses from 1448 common people for the first question, who are mentally ill? These are the responses. They are crazy. They talk to themselves. They kill others. They see things and hear things. They do weird stuffs. They say weird stuffs. They scream a lot. They don't eat or sleep or speak. They hurt themselves a lot. They say things over and over and again, etc. Now, as you can see, these responses are full of stereotypes, hearsay, movie knowledge. And what is interesting here is they all spoke about symptoms of personality disorders. That's just one classification of mental illness. No one talked about mental retardation and learning disability as mental illness. No one talked about sexual disorders as mental illness. No one talked about conversion disorders, which is psychological problem can convert it into a physical problem. And most importantly, none spoke about depression and anxiety as mental illness. I don't blame us for this lack of awareness because movies and people's hearsay is what once accessible to us. If you can do one thing for us in return, would be I want you to deliver this knowledge by your own words to your loved ones and seek out help. Number 2. Do you think you are mentally ill? For this question, only one person out of 1448 people said yes. And he said that I might be mentally ill because I hear and see things sometimes. Number 3. How many mentally ill people do you know who are close to you? For this question, out of 1448 people, only 5 of them said that they are aware of the mentally ill people who are close to them. You might be thinking, what is shocking about this? After I tell you how common it is to have mental illness, you might re-watch the numbers again. World Health Organization reports that 1 in 4 people in the world are affected by mental illness, which means at some point in our life, we will be mentally ill, just like physically ill. So, if that is 1 of 4 people, our survey sample contains 1448 people, which means 362 people. So 362 people are likely to be mentally ill, but only 6 of them are aware of their own and others' mental illness. 352 minus 6 is equal to 356. So, remaining 356 people are unaware and unattended because of stigma, discrimination, and neglect. But the sad part here is, even though treatments and services like our organization and others are available, 2/3 of them, they don't seek out for help. So, if you are a parent or a son or a daughter or a co-worker or a boss or a manager or a labor or a student watching this, don't underestimate your mental care. It is just like physical illness. It requires immediate care. Please seek out to the mental health professionals if you need help. It is the number one priority. There is hope. There is always hope. With care, mystery. Thank you.